and speaker from proposer side. Let us welcome and speaker from proposer side. Proposer number may take the stage. Good afternoon, everyone. Proposer side, teachers, gentlemen, and our judges. My name is Kubimana David. I am main speaker from proposer side. I am totally agree with this motion. Should cell phones be banned at school? Cell phones should be banned at school because cell phone increase student laziness. Student may read on phones instead of critical thinking or problem solving independently. Thank you for everyone who heard my point. Visitors, telephone increase laziness or take videos and music. If not,
good afternoon, everyone. Proposer side, and our judges. My name is Eugene. I am the main speaker from proposer side. I am totally disagree with this motion. Should the cell phone be banned at school? Because among the reasons why school should not ban cell is the research students can look up information to support their studies. Thank you for everyone who has heard my point.
Thank you, Miss Divine. Miss Divine said that telephone used to look information. Proposers, do you agree with opposers said? If not, you may take the stage.
Good afternoon, proposer side, and our judges. My name is Muzatina Chanel. I am an speaker from proposer side. I am here to propose this motion. Cell phone should be banned at school because overuse of cell phone can lead to addiction and less focus on studies. And the result of it to make students fail. Thank you for everyone.
Let us welcome judges to tell you our name. Let us welcome and speaker from proposer side. Mr. David, you are welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone. Proposer side, and judges. My name